Good afternoon to you, sir. Stefan out of Victory Nissan. I'd like to show you one of the Versas that you inquired about. We got 3 to choose from. This is the 2021. It's the SR trim level. Comes with a nice little spoiler. It's got your accents on your alloy wheels. Backup sensors, backup camera, lets you know how close you get into the objects behind you. Even detect stuff outside of the view of the camera. Comes with blind spot warning. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. You got all your hands-free settings on you here to abide by the hands-free laws in Tennessee. You can cycle through your display screens on here. Show your average fuel economy. You got your rev odometer, any kind of music information. Apple and Android CarPlay is ready on this as well. So whenever your phone is hooked up to the USB, you'll have navigation, text messages, phone calls, all that stuff will be displayed on the screen for you. Comes with heated seats too. Got your captain's armrest. Beautiful SR accents on the inside of the car too. You got supplemental airbags for your legs in the event of an accident. Help protect your legs, make sure it's not a severe. Vehicle comes equipped with forward collision detection system as well. This will monitor the cars in front of you to make sure that if there's any kind of sporadic activity that happens all of a sudden short notice, your vehicle will help accommodate for it and might even help stop the accident before it even happens. Versas are one of the best-selling sedans that Nissan has. It's up to 40 miles per gallon when you're on the interstate too. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Stefan, and I look forward to working with you in the future.